In this video, I will show you how to create an e-signature in Google Docs like this and how to add a signature line in Google Docs. It's very easy. Keep watching. First, I will delete this to show you. First of all, you need to insert the signature line. To do that, go to the insert option and click on the option table. Select the one by one table and now resize this table like this. You will see here small triangle. Click on it and select all the borders, and from here select white color. Now again click inside the box, go to the triangle, select the bottom border, change the color to black and increase the thickness to 2.25. Now we have created a signature line. Click above the signature line. Now inside this box we will add our e-signature. To do that, go to the drawing option and plus new to open this drawing dashboard. Now click on this option and select Scribble. Now using your mouse or a stylus, whatever you have, you can draw the signature like this. Then you can select the signature, and if you want to increase the thickness, you can increase the thickness. Once done, click on save and close to insert the signature above the line in Google Docs. Now if you want to resize this image, you can resize the image like this. If you want to center align it, you can just click on the image and center align the signature image. If you feel that the signature drawn is not looking that good, you can click on edit option again to re-edit the signature. Then just delete the signature and draw a new signature. Then select the signature. You can change the color of the signature from here, increase the thickness of the signature, and then just save and close to insert the new signature above the signature line. If this video solved your problem, please subscribe and don't forget to check out this useful video shown on screen to know more about Google Docs. See you again in the next video.